Hello everyone, in the course of Integrated Electronics, my project is Smart Washbasin, which is on home automation. Smart Washbasin has an automatic water tap that will automatically pour water when you place hands or any object underneath the outlet. Many times it happens that after washing your hands, we forget to switch off the tap, which leads to wastage of water. This untouched tap also prevents germs and virus to spread and thus also improves hygiene. In addition to this functionality, my own contributions are that it also has a hot water detector and a water level indicator. If you put the stopper of the basin to fill it to wash the objects or for a baby wash, water level indicator will be helpful for overflowing problems and how much water you require and again not wasting it. Hot water detector is there to ensure that your water is at the right temperature so you can wash objects or soak your arms comfortably for the temperature of the water you desire. The automatic water tap work on an infrared based system which will detect interruption of infrared rays from hands or any objects like utensils, bottles, etc. and will pour water from the faucet on the object. For the water level indicator, when the circuit will be complete according to the level, the LED will glow to indicate the user. In the hot water detector, NTC thermistor is being used. When it receives heats, its resistor will be decreased, which will activate the transistor and the LED will light up when the temperature will be high. In all the above functionality, the transistor is working as a switch. Now coming to the circuits, I have used LTspice software because I find it very interactive and also using this software I can check each of the node of my circuit to verify its functionality. So coming to the circuit we used is timer 555 IC transistor is acting as a switch. So now I'm simulating the circuit. So this is the capacitor voltage or the input voltage, which triggers the timer 555 IC, and the TTL output is given to the transistor which switches on. And here we can see that I have considered the discharging of the capacitor as the interruption of the IR rays. So we can see that when there is interruption of the IR rays, the transistor switches on and there is a 12-volt output. This 12-volt output can be given to the relay, which will open the water valve and water will pour from the faucet on your hands. This is the circuit of hot water detector. In this I have used NTC thermistor. The resistor is acting as a switch. Now I am simulating the circuit. So to vary the temperature, I have varied the voltages, which we can see that here the temperature is varying. So now according to the temperature, resistor's value will also vary according to the thermistor. At the output of the transistor, we can see that at lower temperature the output is coming close to 0, and at the higher temperature the output is coming to around 3 volts. So here we can see across the LED the voltage is 4 volts, which is sufficient enough for the LED to glow. This is a circuit of water level indicator. Here also transistor is acting as a switch. So here there are 3 nodes which denotes the water level, that is almost empty, mid level or full. So right now I've connected it to mid level and I'm simulating the circuit. As the circuit is completed, the transistor switches on and the voltage across the load is coming as 5 volts, which is sufficient enough for the LED to light up. We can also see for the other resistors, voltage is coming as to be 0, and for this resistor also the voltage is coming as to be 0.